Hi friends, let us see today onwards what is how to learn the C sharp. Please follow the all my videos. Let us see first of all what is C sharp. C sharp is a programming language. It is pronounced as a how to call the sharp C sharp. We need to read as call as C sharp. And it is a object oriented programming language provided by Microsoft that runs on the .NET framework. Okay, C sharp is part of the .NET framework. Okay, it is a language. It will be used to develop Windows based applications, services, any web applications, any console applications, anything we can develop applications by using the C sharp. Okay, let us see C sharp features. C sharp is object oriented programming language. It provides a lot of features that are given as below. See, it will provide it is a simple programming language and modern programming language. It is called as it will by using C sharp we can develop the powerful programming applications. Okay, but as per current trend we can develop very big applications by using C sharp, and it will also contain the object oriented. Object oriented means OOPS concept, right? It is OOPS concept is that abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. So this C sharp, that's why it is a very powerful programming language. It is having the type shape. So when you are having the want to access the piece of code in the programming memory location, it is having the permission to execute that piece of code. That's why it is called that is having the type shape. Interoperability. This is a C sharp also having the interoperability facilities by using that interoperability. It will support that properties, methods, classes like that. By using that one programming developed program will be accessed in other language also called as interoperability. Like see, for example, C++ having that all the features, the C sharp also having that same features and extra advanced features. That is called the interoperability. Next one, scalable and updatable concept. So C sharp will support that updatable, because if, for example, when we are having the old version application, old version files or something, you can update that one programs, that is called updatable. Next one, component oriented. So it is also called as it will support the component oriented methods. Okay, so it is very easy to develop by using components or component oriented methods. Means OOPS concepts, properties, methods and any variables. By using classes, structures, we can develop reusable purpose. Next one, structured programming language. It is a procedural structured programming language and rich library. So rich library in the sense, it is having the many libraries, namespaces. Okay, I mean DLLs. By in the DLLs having the pre-built methods or any properties or anything. So that's why we will call it as a rich library. C sharp is a rich having the rich library. Next one, fast speed. So you can develop by using the C sharp. It is very fast. When it is big applications, when you run the big applications, it is the compiler of the CLR C sharp. I mean common language runtime will run the application is very speed. So that's why we will call it as fast speed. It is having the very fast. Now like that in the future we will learn each and everything one by one step. Then I will show you some simply first of all hello world example in the Visual Studio 2019. Okay, so please run the console application. So I am opening the Visual Studio. So create a new project. Here you can select C sharp. Here you can select that Windows all platforms. Console application C sharp, we can select this one, get next. Tutorial practice, tutorial training, write that training C sharp, C sharp. So it is opened the C sharp. So let us see, when you open the console application, you can get that these are the namespaces. I mean this is the these are the namespaces you need to use this import the libraries here using system.collections.generic, using system.link. By default you will get this one when you open the console application. Next one, this is the namespace. This is namespace name is training C sharp. Next one, when you in the C sharp, each and every line is terminated by semicolon. Okay, and C sharp is a case sensitive. You should remember C sharp is a case sensitive, and here C sharp in this namespace you are having the class. Here class program, open the braces like that, and static void main string array arguments you can pass like that. So here you can write any program, any hello world application program. So write console dot see here it is when you type something it will show the Intellisense. This is called the Intellisense. Okay, this is the class showing this symbol. See like what the symbol this gray color symbol, orange color symbol is showing. So like that, console dot write line. You can use that write or write line. See, this is the method, this is the write is the method. It is void. Void is the means it doesn't return anything, so that it is the pre-built methods. It is having that console class. Okay, so you can write or write line. So I am taking the write line, hello world, welcome to hello world. So I told you every line, every statements in C# is terminated by semicolon. So once you want to run that, you can go to the debug here, start debugging like that, start debugging F5, start without debugging, control F5. So simply click here start. By executing that start, it will execute and it will show the console application on the command prompt, welcome to hello world. So immediately it is terminating. You can't read anything on the command prompt. You should write the console dot read line. You can use the console.read. Then when you run it, it will stop the command prompt. You can able to see read welcome to hello world. Okay, so that it is the first program in the console applications. Just I am showing this is the example like that in Visual Studio. Okay, next one, what is the C#? We will see. In the C# we are having the variables. Okay, variable means a variable is a name of the memory location. It is used to store data. Its value can be changed and it can be reused many times. So when you want to use the variable, for example, if you wanted to write the printing the numbers in the 1 to 10, so you want to use the int I variable like that. So you can use the any variable and you can create and you can assign the value to that variable. So that is called the variable. So for example, integer, character, byte, short, long, float, and double, decimal, boolean, and nullable. Nullable, you can use that as the data type variables. Okay, next one, value types and reference types. So here value type means when you are using integers like that, light integer, short, long, float, these are the value types, and reference types are the string, class, object, and interface. These are the reference types. There are two types of value data types in C language. Okay, here in C# there are two types of data types, predefined data types such as integer, boolean, float, etc. I have shown you in the first here. These are the predefined data types: integer, character, byte, short, like that. And user defined data types means such as structure, enumerators, etc. So these all are data structures and enumerators, enumerations. I will show in the future in future classes and future videos. Okay, so let us see the few data type sizes. We are telling the integer, boolean, float, like that, show like that, right? So what is the data type size? How to use that data types in the programming? I will show you. Just this is the I am showing the structure. You can pause the video and you can read that. When these are the data types: character, signed character, unsigned character, short, signed character, like that. So character is a 1 byte of 1 byte. It will occupy 1 byte, and this range will be minus 128 to 127. So you can use like that. And signed characters minus also using 1 byte of memory size, minus 128 to 127. Next one example I will show you. This, for example, here you are using the short, right? Okay, short is having the 2 bytes of memory size. It is using the 0 to 65,537. Okay, when you are using short and these values, sorry, this is the integer type. Okay, and signed short is like the 2 bytes of array. So it is having the minus 32,768 to 32,767. So when for example, when you using the signed short and if you are assigning the value to 32,768, If you assigning that value to this short, so system will give the exception, arithmetic overflow exception it will give you. So here in the in the integers type also same size it will occupy the use that one. So don't give the, this is the most important in real time applications. Okay, so in the float also it is occupy the 4 bytes and it is minus, it is giving the 1.5 exponents into 10 exponent minus 45. It is very big precision, this is 7 digit precision it is using, float and double and decimal. It is at least 7.9 into, it is very big, we can't tell you in the in explain, but decimal is also occupy the accept the very big integer, big number. Okay, now operators, let us see operators. Here operators are binary operators, arithmetic operators and relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, unary operators and ternary operators. These operators I can explain you in the future classes about the operators also. Let us see some simply arithmetic operations plus. To add to any numbers, 2 or 3 more than 2 numbers, we can use the addition as well as minus. So you want to subtract any numbers, we can use the minus. You can use the multiplication per any using the two numbers per multiplication or more than any two and more than 2 numbers, and slash you can use that division purpose, we can use the slash division purpose. This is the AND operator you can use to concatenation purpose, or you know what, you can't, I think arithmetic operations you can't have the AND symbol, I think so. Okay, sorry. And relational operations, to why do you want to use relational operators means to compare any 2 numbers or two values in the condition, more than 2 values also you can compare. So then we can use that this relational operators. Next one, logical operators. In the while giving the condition, we need to use the logical condition, logical operators, and this is the not equal to. Okay, this is the 5 symbol we can use in the C#. Please remember that one. Next one, bitwise operators and less than, greater than, tilde symbol and character symbol. We can to use the more this bitwise operators when it will come to the point of in writing the programming. I will explain the bitwise operators. Next one, assignment operators. These are the very important in C#. These relational operators, arithmetic and logical and assignment operators equal to, when you assign the some variable value to the variable, we can use the equal to symbol. Plus equal to means when you want to write, for example, you want to write a equal to 5, so a plus equal to equal to 5, you can write like this. So when you write this one means, what is this meaning means, a equal to 5, a equal to means a plus a equal to 5 equal to, this means how can I show you, means this one, a equal to a plus 5. So like this purpose we can use this one, a plus equal to 5 means a equal to a plus 5, means a equal to already 5 plus 5 equal to 10, then a equal to it will be 10. So in the minus equal to also same as for like this. Next one, unary operators plus increment operators and decrement operators. So when you want to increment decrement value, we can use that unary operators. Next one, ternary operator, question mark and colon. I will show you in the while writing the if and only if condition, we can use the ternary operators. Okay, thank you very much. Next one, C# keywords. C# contains some reserved words, those are called keywords. These keywords are identified by the compiler. So here C# having the some reserved words. For example, abstract, constant, new, override, sealed, static, and, or anything, whatever it may be. Some C# having the some keywords. We need to maybe 30. It is having the 32 reserved word constants keywords. Please refer the C# book. You can understand the what is the C# more. So while writing the programming, I will explain the regarding the keywords also, abstract, constant, like that keywords. Presently I am just explaining the just overview of the C#. Okay, next one, access modifiers. Public these access modifiers are more important in real life and while writing the programming. It is the interview question also. Access modifiers, public, private, internal, protected internal, these are the most important in interview point of also. Public means you can use this public variables within the project also. When you declare that variable as public, then you can use it as within the project, and private, within the class only we can use that variable. Internal means in the within the class and as well as derived class also we can use internal. And protected means in the within the that assembly only we can use that one. And protected internal means we can use the one assembly and another derived assembly also we can use the protected internal. These are the most important, please remember it. Next one, class. A class is a blueprint of specific object. It contains the variables, properties, events, methods, etc. So you know class is, for example, it is a blueprint. For example, if you imagine what is that one car. If you imagine a luxury car is existing, it is having that Benz car. Okay, luxury car is the class, Benz car is the object. So in this object, in this object we can tell that one what is that wheels, steering, color, shape, each and everything is the properties of that class. Okay, this object. So it is, we will tell that one. So what is that luxury car? Benz car is the luxury car. Luxury car is in the sense it is a class. Okay, that class is instantiated with the object. So that object having the all the that proper shapes, color, like that. In the programming point of view, it contains the variables, properties, events, and methods, structures, enumerators, each and everything we can declare in the class. So you can remember like that. Okay, next one, conditional statement. Let us see conditional statements in C# programming. If statement is used to test the condition, there are various types of if statements. In the C# we are having the many four statements: if statement, if else statement, nested if statement, if else, if ladder statement. Okay, these are the conditional statements we can see. The if condition syntax is if condition open the braces and the code will be executed. If condition, I will explain you something example here how to use the if condition. So comment this one, if a greater than, for example, int I equal to 2. So here I am assigning that this is the integer data type. I told you, I have shown you value types means integer, float, to anything. So in this int I am I is the variable. I am assigning 2 to the I. So I am checking the condition. If I equal to 2, console dot write line 2 is even number. Console dot so here when is the I am assigning the constant to static variable. Here when the integer i's value is 2, if it is if it is 2, then 2 is the even number. It is showing that we are using a if statement like the conditional. It means while we need to check the to check the conditional condition we can use the if. So I equal to 2, then console dot write line 2 is even number. So console dot read line. So please execute this one. You can understand how it will show. So 2 is a even number. Okay. So next one, if you want to write the if else statement, you can write like this. If 2 is equal to even number, else console dot write line 2 is not even number. Okay, please execute this one. Here in this in our case 2 is a even number. Okay, so 2 is even number. Here change that to 2 to 3. So 2 is not a even number. Okay, this is the if else statement, we can use it. Okay, nested if statement. Here statement is if nested if. This is the if condition in a if else condition. If condition, the if part, otherwise else condition, if condition. So if else condition, this is a if else. Next one, if this is the nested condition. So if condition, we will write code can be executed here. Else if condition to else code. Again else if condition. This is the else nested condition. Okay, let us see how to write that nested condition. Here I am showing the I equal to 3. Next one, else if j equal to I equal to 3 even number. 3 is odd number. Here odd number, else console dot line write line just it is not even number. It is not even, just like simply write it's a primary number. Okay, see here I am passing the 3. So if it is 3 is a odd number. If you pass here 2, it is showing that 2 is even number, other else it is a primary number. This is the nested loop. Okay, nested if condition. 3 is a odd number. Okay, so I modified this one. This is second if condition is existing. Here if you giving that one 5, so let us see what will show that one. It is a primary number. 5 is a primary number, so it we need to use the nested if condition like this. Okay, next one, switch statement. Here C# we having the switch statement executes one statement from multiple conditions. It is like a if else if ladder statement in C#. Okay, next one, switch statement is supposed to be, this is the syntax. Here switch we need to write the condition, case value 1, and code we need to write, and case 2, case value 2, like that. Here we supposed to put the break and the code to be executed. Next one, this is the syntax, and break, and default colon code to be executed and break. Okay, I will show you that simply here is commenting this one. We can use the switch statement. Same example I am taking that 2 like that, into I equal to 2, switch I equal to switch I case here you write the you want to open the braces, case I, case 1, just write the console dot write line I am from case 1, break. Next one, case 2, here console dot write line I am from case 2, break. Next one, default case default console dot write line I am from default case, default switch, so break. So you can write like this. So here we want to give the some variable, pass the variable. Here I am passing the I equal to 2. So in the case 2 in switch, you can get that console dot write line. Let us execute this our switch statement and let us see what is the output. So here it is going out, means we can't read it immediately. So after switch statement, write down here console dot read. Okay, let us see what is our output. See, I am from case 2. So as far here our I value is 2, contrast going to the switch I value. here case 1 it is not it is condition false, then immediately control goes to the case 2. Here the 2 and this 2 is matching, so it will show the console dot write line I am from case 2. Okay, this is the switch statement we can use in the C# in this model. Okay, just I am explaining the examples, so simple examples. If you have any doubt, please comment in my timeline, then I will read the comment and I will follow and I will explain your doubts in the next section. Okay, thank you. Next one, switch is finished, then C# we are having the C# loop, for loop. So let us see, for loop statement is the C# for loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. When you want to print something 10 times or 100 times the same name or same something, we can use the C# for loop. C# syntax will be for initialization, condition and increment or decrement operator, and code to be executed. What code you want to write, you should write in the for loop. Okay, so here I am commenting this one switch statement. See, this is the commenting line. For the commenting we can use the // here double slash is the comment line, commenting for some. See, when you want to become a good programmer, you should use the commenting commenting line. Okay, you should put when you write this, for example I am showing that integer I value this is using, right? We put the comment like this: I am using this variable I am using this variable for switch condition. When you write the comment for every line of this program, it is very easy to understand the after you, when you left the company, also when you are moving from company to company, when after coming another person will come and read your code, the person can understand easily what the code for, what is used for. Okay, you should remember, please comment every line of code in your when you are writing in the real-time applications, please comment your code in the office. Okay, just I am showing, see double line. This is the interview point of view. Somebody will ask you what is the comment in C#, means you should tell that one // double slash. So this is double slash is the single line commenting. If you want to comment that fully, I mean multi-line commenting, so you are supposed to use the slash asterisk key and closing the asterisk and slash. So this is the multi-line commenting purpose we can use this. This is the multi-line commenting. Please remember, this is the interview point of view. It is most important. Okay, now where are we are now? We are in the for loop. So how to write for loop? For this is the int I equal to 0. So this is the initialization. Okay, next is every for loop is this. While writing a for loop, please remember initialization and condition. After that increment or decrement operator we should use. Now I have done initialization, then after checking the condition I less than 10. After that one I plus plus increment operator. Okay, so I told you in the first one increment or decrement operators how to use it, means here see unary operators, how to use the unary operators. See, plus plus or minus minus, now I am using in my code. Okay, so this is the unary operator. Then after open the braces, we need to print that something 1 to 10 line numbers. Console dot write line I. Here system dot environment dot application dot new line. Otherwise please use here to break console dot write line break. Here we not representing the character, so that you can use this double quote. Let us see does it work or not. So it is showing that 1 2 3 4 5 like that, but it is showing the or that is wrong. Okay, so see, use like this, that is the break. See 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is the for loop. How to use this for loop, like that we are showing that one. So if you want to print your name 10 times, instead of I, you can write that one your name Naga. Simply write Nagarjuna. See your name. See Nagarjuna, it is showing the 10 times printing. So here most important is if for loop, how to use the for loop. It is a number of times to print the sum, to print or to run the one condition, any statement number of times we can use the for loop. Okay, next one, switch statement finished for loop. Next one, while loop. So in this while loop, this is syntax will be while we write the condition, code will be executed like that. Okay, let us see while loop, how to use in the while, how to use while loop. Okay, next one, I'm commenting that one. Next one, while loop. While first condition. Okay, here in the same way, for example, int I equal to 10. Here let us see I less than 10, then we need to go into the condition and check the write the something. Console dot write line welcome to while loop. So here when it is I value is less than 10, then it is condition is want to go into inside and is print the welcome to while loop. But in this case I is equal to 10, so we need to write the I equal to condition, I less than or equal to 10, then condition going into the while loop and print the statement. See, this is while it is infinity loop. Okay, it is welcome to while loop. While loop, it is showing that one. It is a infinity loop. It is always coming checking that one. Okay, checking the condition and going. We want to stop this one without printing that printing the number of times. Okay, just while I equal less than 10, always it is I equal to 10 is giving, right. Just we will print that one. We want to check if I equal to less than 10, it is not to condition is not true. I because I value is 10 less than 10 not equal to, then it is coming out of the loop like that. Okay, just I am showing. Let us see, you can't get any output in this case. I think so. See, you don't get any output. Okay, according to situation, according to your task, you can use the while loop in real time applications. Next one, do while loop. So here do, first of all we write the condition, then write the code to be executed, then after while condition. See here while loop and do while loop means while loop always, this is also interview point of view very important. What is, they will ask you what is the difference between while loop and do while loop. Okay, while loop is the first, it will check the condition, then after code will be executed. In the do while loop, first code will be executed, then after checking the condition. Let us see one example on the do while loop. Into always take the some string name equal name hello C#. Just I am declaring like that. Next one, do here console dot write line, just to print the name. So after that condition while name for example while name equal to hello, give that one. Here you think double equal to, yes. Okay, here string name equal to hello C#. Here it will C# printing. After that contrast coming to while checking the condition name equal to hello, it is wrong. Okay, here C# hello name having the hello C#. Okay, it is wrong. Control coming out and just it will print the only one statement. Okay, let us see, execute and see just hello C# and coming out from the loop. So like that we can use the do while loop. Okay, next one, here break statement. Here break statement is when we want to break the execution. I mean, we don't want to one of the condition or one of the middle name or something. When we don't want to, we can use the break statement. I will show you in the example. Okay, for example, while in the the first statement only, if like that for loop for into I equal to 10, I less than equal to 10, here I equal to 1 initialization, always you can use. Here we can use the I plus plus increment operator, unary operator. So here console dot, here check the condition. If I equal to just 4, break, otherwise console dot write line print I value. So here in this case, here it will print the I value is 1 to 10, and when the I value is becomes 4, it will break that I value, it will skip the I value 4 and it will print the remaining numbers. So in this case we will get this here, it is showing the expected. See here is C# is a very good programming language, very easy to learn. See, it is showing the context menu, semicolon is expected, so we need to give the semicolon. Okay, now please execute and let us see what is the result of this program. See, it is showing that 1 2 3 and something. So 4 is when it will be coming the coming the 4, it will break the condition and writing and going out. So this is the output of this break, how to use this break. Okay, sorry, this one or this one, so stop this one. Next one, when here we need to use the continue statement. C# continue statement is used to continue loop. It continues the current flow of the program and skips the remaining code at the specified condition. So this is the, let us see, continue. In the same program I am taking the same program example and use the continue. What will continue? See, let us see what continue. See here 1 2 3 4 is missing, 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here when you use the continue keyword, it will skip the what I value is 4, that will it will skip it, and it remaining of the values it will be printing. In the break means in the when it is I value is 4, it will break the condition loop. It will break the loop and coming controls will come out from the loop. So this is the C# first session. Please learn that C#, very it is a very easy to learn, and don't learn very much at a time, you will forget. So that's why I just making the videos very simple and very small videos. Please go through this all my videos and learn the C#. If you have any doubt, please comment your doubt on the YouTube. So next timeline, so I will try to explain and solve your problems. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Bye. Please subscribe, then please subscribe my channel, then you will get the next videos. Thank you very much. Bye.